Okay, guys, welcome to Computerized Accounting 1115. This is going to be just a real quick, short little video where you can, where I'm just going to walk you through the steps of setting up your company. Now, you should have received 2 invitations from QuickBooks. Now, you've received 2 invitations because you will have a case 1 and a case 2 assigned for homework at the end of each chapter, starting with chapter 3. Now, each case 1 is a continuation from the previous chapter's case 1, same as case 2. With each case you complete, you're building your company in QuickBooks, as well as learning different tools offered in QuickBooks. So they're a continuation of each other. So again, you will be assigned a case 1 and a case 2 at the end of every single chapter in our textbook. So you will use all case 1 assignments will be used for your case 1 company, and all case 2 assignments will be used for your case 2 company. So let me walk you through on how to set up your company. This will be the same for case 1 and case 2. So I'm going to walk you through on how to do it. So when you get the email, all you have to do here is just click on accept invitation. All right, so I've already set up my case 1. So your screen may look a little different the first time you do it. So the first time you do it, it's going to have you confirm your email, enter your first and last name, your telephone number you can skip, but then you will need to create a password. Okay, so once you have set up your case 1, again, your screen is going to look a little different when you click on it. It's going to ask you to confirm your email, enter your first and last name, and then create a password and confirm your password. Okay, so once you do that, you will click sign in, and it'll take you to this next screen. So I've already done so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in because I went ahead and I created my case 1. So now I should be able to do it for my case 2. You can skip phone number, it's not necessary. Okay, so you can, it's an option if you want to save password or not. It's up to you. All right, so this will be the first screen you should see in setting up your company. Now, I wanted to show you how it would look when you go to set up your second company, because a lot of people get stumped. They're thinking, oh, it's making me sign into the first company that I created. No, it's recognizing you're setting up 2 companies, I promise you. So you've seen what it looks like when you go to click on your second invitation, okay? And again, we'll look at that invitation and what it looks like. This is what your invitation looks like. All right. So you should have received 2 again. So you're creating a company A and a company B, and we're going to walk through how to set those up. So I've already set up my company A for case 1. So now I'm setting up my company B for case 2. All right. So we'll go ahead and click on next. So see, it's already got the name in there set up. So I told you company B, case 2. Now I want you to rename it. Okay, company B is a generic name. So you're going to rename it. And you're going to do this same for case 1 and case 2. Okay, this is the same. So I want you to actually put your name. So Mary Hankinson, or your name, case 2. Okay, and go ahead and click next. So it's asked if you've been managing your finances. We're just going to say nothing. I'm just getting started. Okay, you can skip this. You don't have to put anything in here for now. You could put accounting if you want to, but I just prefer you to skip this at this point. So you just go ahead and skip for now. All right, so what kind of business is this? I want you to go ahead and select C Corp. All right, and we're going to select both service and products. You are the accountant. So you can click that. All right, Who works at this business? We're going to go ahead and click on employees and contractors. No, this is very important. No, we do not want to add payroll. We can go ahead and skip. No, we're not going to link any accounts, so we're going to go ahead and skip this as well. I have you go ahead and select everything. Just go ahead and click on everything. Because at sometime during the semester, we're going to utilize one of these functions. So just go ahead and select everything. All right. So the next thing you should be seeing now is your dashboard. All right. And this is just a really quick little tour. You can click take the tour or you can X out. It doesn't matter. If you click take the tour, all it's going to do is just highlight a few things on your dashboard and what they mean. Okay. That's all it does. So now you're ready. You have set up your companies and you're good to go. Now, if you've set up both companies, you should be able to see them both. Okay, so a lot of times students get stumped on how do I go to my other company? I need to be able to see both companies. How do I switch between companies? Because you're going to have the same login. You're going to have the same email and password. So you're not going to have a separate login for each company. So you're going to come over here where it says, looks like a little gear icon. You click on that gear icon and you come over here and you switch and you click on switch company. And you should see both of your companies right there. And you should be able to go in between them without a problem. So I've already set up my case one. So you will click on case one company to do all your case one assignments. And again, you will receive a case one assignment at the end of every chapter, starting in chapter 3. Okay, so this is where you will do all your assignments for case one. And then when you get ready to do your assignments for case 2, you'll click the gear icon, switch company, and then come over here and select case 2. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys take any of the guesswork and take any of the stress out of setting up your company. So it's easy peasy. If you have any questions, if you get stumped, feel free to email me. But I really hope this helps take a lot of that stress out and a lot of the guesswork out.